What's up guys, it is Jose. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Rogue weighted vest with the pair of, is it 10-pound plates? So it should be 20 pounds. So let's check it out. So it is the Echo weight vest from Rogue. Yeah, pretty cool, it's its own packaging. Then I believe these are the plates themselves. So it's 10-pound weighted vest. So there's two options. The one's built in the USA, which were a lot more expensive. So I bought the cheaper ones, which I believe were probably made in China. Which I don't mind as long as they do its job. So they still look pretty cool. Do say Rogue 10 pounds. So they do look like they're cast iron. They're cool, I like them. This is the main reason why I went with this vest, because in the past I've had a weight vest and I had like the little sandbags. I wasn't a big fan, real loose vest that you could work out with it. The Echo vest. Let's see if it fits me, man. I did go with a medium. What just happened? This thing comes with no instruction manual. But I believe this is the front of the vest. And this is the back. It's cool, I like it. I'm just trying to figure out how it works. I'll pause this. I'm gonna try to figure this out because I don't like videos where people just waste your time. So I don't want to waste yours either. Alright, so I'm back. Finally got the vest on. So I was able to put the plates in. So there's 10-pound plate in the front, 10 plate in the back. So this is the Echo weighted vest, the Rogue or by Rogue. And I like the weight vest. It's like real fitted. I got a medium. I am like 5'5", $165. So I'm gonna work out with it. I'm gonna run it. Yeah, so I'm on a treadmill with the Echo weighted vest by Rogue. You know, I'm enjoying it. Can't even lie. You know, heavy incline, low speed. I can feel it. You can feel that added extra weight. We're in a mile on the treadmill, so when I run on the treadmill, I don't really run. I just do, you know, the highest incline, which mine is 12 at a speed of 3. You know, just strictly for my exercise. So I try to bump it up to like the speed of 6. I did tell it was a little bouncy, so maybe I have to adjust the straps so it's not as loose. But it wasn't that big of a problem, but I did notice it was a bit loose. So I'm gonna try to do some pull-ups. I'm for sure you're gonna feel it. Let's see. Yeah. You can definitely feel it. Feels great though. Inches. Ooh, that's right, my knee. So my body can definitely feel that added extra weight. Loving the vest. I don't feel like it's moving around. I don't know if you can notice from the video. It's kind of staying pretty firm. Yeah. So I want to do like a real in-depth video using this vest, just because when I was looking for it on YouTube, there wasn't much. When I buy stuff, I really want to know what it looks like, what it feels like, you know, in use when people work out. So there wasn't a video of this vest, at least that I can find. So I figured, you know, I would make a video just because when you buy stuff online and online shopping, you guys know how it feels. You see certain stuff online and you order, you receive it. It's nothing what you thought it was. So I want to make sure people actually know what they're buying. So yeah, Rogue, send me a free hook a brother up. But I do like your guys' vest, but I'm not getting paid for this. But I do recommend it, guys. I think it's gonna be a great vest. So yeah, this is Jose again. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time. I forgot to mention when I was editing the video, I didn't mention the price. So the weight itself was a 145. The pair of 10s, $80. That's the grand total, guys. So I mean, I know it's a little steep, but it's a great vest.